Hey guys, this is a video of how we spent our New Year's. We're leaving the resort in Sedona and getting ready to go to Flagstaff and play in the snow. Stay tuned to see how we went from sledding to getting stuck in a blizzard and flying off the road. As we're leaving downtown Sedona, we're on our way to Flagstaff. This is a great view to showcase the beauty of historic downtown Flagstaff. They were out of sleds, so we had to improvise. Also, it was so cold, my boyfriend had to give me another jacket. The traffic was unbelievable. There were so many people trying to play in the snow. Look how strong the blizzard is. Building a snowman is not as easy as TV makes it look. A snowball fight is cool until you run out of breath.
Ready? One, two, three, where you
He tricked me as we were supposed to go down together.
go? We didn't fit.
You want to know how cold it is in Flagstaff? I don't know if you can see it. The blizzard was so strong, people were flying off the road. I can't imagine how scared they were.
Damn, bro, I remember my good old days over here. Look, shit. Damn, he's getting it. He's getting it. You know? Oh, whoa, that's impressive. Damn. That Cummins. And then now this guy's next right here. Sheesh. That 4Runner got down. This one's nice. Check it out. This is gonna be pretty hard to get out. Another one right here. That's alright. I'm not helping though. Just kicking back. I've had my fair shares. Now it's time to spectate. Now these people are trying to get this Tahoe out. Right here. I'm over there. I'm not helping. I'm spectating. I've had my fair shares. I'm gonna hold it up the line. Check it out. Oh! Almost. Almost. I think they're gonna go for it again.
You're not gonna believe it, but the same thing happened to us. We flew off the road and we had help from 2 cars, which we're very thankful for. This is how deep the snow is. It covered the whole tire.